Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So suppose you are surfing on a LinkedIn and you came across a video and you like to download that. So in this case there is a site. From here you can download any video of LinkedIn. Suppose I have to download this one, so I will click on this, and from here you tap on this three dot, you will get the link. Okay, so if I come here, I can copy the link. So if you are not able to copy, you can send this link to your nearest one. Suppose I am using my WhatsApp and I am sending to myself. Okay, so this is the video link. I will copy from here, and the site name is tapleo.com. so if you search on Google, you will find, you can search downloading LinkedIn video for free. So tap Leo, will find link, and here you can see your LinkedIn post URL. So you can paste here, and if once you paste it here, you can click on this download. Yes, so your video has been generated. Please wait for browser to down. Yeah, so download again. I will have to click because it gives the same name, so I can open. Yes, you can see this is the video, the downloaded one. I can send this one to anyone. Yes, you can see this is, because this is the video you're looking for, you're looking to download. So that's it from this video.